Hello friends, this is Deepa Suresh. Welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to see how to make makeup removing wipes, or you could also use it as a facial cleansing wipes, all using a natural ingredients that are safe to use on your face, and the most important thing, it's chemical free. So let's get started. To begin, you will need a kitchen towel. You just take 10 sheets from it. So I have a 10 kitchen towels, cut it horizontally and vertically to get equal squares like this. So keep it aside, and to make a wet wipes you will need a homemade rose water and 100% sweet and pure almond oil and 100% organic cold pressed coconut oil. And also a square container to store your wet wipes. I am using a glass container. Now into a bowl take 50 ml of rose water. If you don't have a homemade one, you may buy from store as well. Half a tablespoon of almond oil and 1 tablespoon of coconut oil. That's all. Now beat this mixture for at least 1 minute so that this oil should mix well with rose water. So the mixture is ready, and now take your container and place your tissues inside. And now comes the fun part. Add this mixture over the tissue. You may also drizzle the excess rose water on sides so that all the tissues will absorb rose water. So guys, just cover it with the lid and wait for 15 minutes, and then your wet wipes or makeup removing wipes are ready to use. So since we have used a homemade rose water, it is essential to refrigerate and use within 2 weeks. So for every 2 weeks you have to prepare a new batch. That is very important. So now let me show you how effective these homemade makeup removing wipes are. So here I am with a full face makeup. I have eye makeup, lip makeup and also face makeup. So I'm just going to take only one wet wipes first, and then wiping my facial makeup. The good part is we have cut one kitchen towel into 4 pieces, so you can use one wipes for each makeup, like a separate one for your face, separate one for your eyes and separate one for your lips. So I have already removed my face makeup, and now I'm going to remove my eye makeup using another tissue, another wipe. So you can see it removed everything. And for my lips I'm going to use another wipe. I just removing only half of my makeup on one side of my face so that you guys will get a better idea about how effective these wet wipes are. So this side I have a makeup and this side I don't have a makeup. And you can see all my wipes are filled with makeup. So I hope this video is really helpful for you guys. So you can make this affordable, easy to make makeup removing wipes at home using a simple ingredients. And you could also replace rose water with green tea water as well. Thank you so much for tuning in. Catch you guys soon with another great video. Bye bye.